Hi, I'm Kirby with Augustine E-Bikes, and thanks for watching our YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe below. And again, as always, thanks for watching all of our videos. Can I ride my e-bike in the rain? Well, the short answer is yes. Whether you're riding a brand e-bike or a conversion kit, you can ride them both in the rain safely, and I'll tell you why. However, I have to say, if you end up with your e-bike submerged in a lake, I can't help you, and all bets are off. With a lot of brand e-bikes, either the controller and battery are built into the frame, sealing both of them out of any external weather conditions. With bikes based on kits, let's look at the individual parts. Starting with your battery, it's completely sealed other than your charger port. Most batteries come with a charger port door that seals shut and is weatherproof. Your motor, whether it's a hub or a mid-drive, are also completely sealed with no ability for moisture to enter. The only area where there's some possibility for water and moisture to penetrate is your controller. The controllers are typically watertight other than where the wires exit the controller. Here you want to tightly wrap electrical tape around the port so it's watertight, and make sure that you've wrapped your wires with waterproof polymer-based casings so there's no water can penetrate. The biggest problems you will have with rain are bike problems. Getting your drivetrain wet, if not properly cared for, will rust. When you get back from a wet ride, make sure to wipe everything down with a dry rag, set the bike in a dry place, and re-lubricate all moving parts before your next ride. Stay dry.